Today, I'll show you how to fix a bad gateway 502 error from Cloudflare. A 502 bad gateway error usually means Cloudflare can reach your domain, but it is not receiving a valid response from your origin server. In simple terms, Cloudflare is working, but something between Cloudflare and your hosting server is not responding correctly. First, refresh the page after a few seconds. Sometimes a 502 error is temporary and happens because the server is overloaded or restarting. If the error is still there, log into your Cloudflare account and select the affected domain. Go to DNS, then open Records. Check the DNS record for your website. For the main domain, look for the A record with the name at. For the www version, look for the www record. Make sure the IP address points to the correct server. If the IP address is old or incorrect, Cloudflare will send traffic to the wrong place, which can cause a 502 error. Next, check if your server is online. Open your hosting panel, VPS dashboard, or server provider account, and confirm that the server is running. If you recently restarted your server, wait a few minutes and test again. Now check your web server service. If you are using a VPS, make sure services like Nginx, Apache, or your application server are running properly. If the website works when Cloudflare proxy is turned off, but shows a 502 error when the proxy is on, the issue may be related to SSL, firewall rules, or blocked Cloudflare IP addresses. Go back to Cloudflare, open SSL/TLS, then check your SSL mode. If your server has a valid SSL certificate, use full strict. If your server has an SSL certificate but it is self-signed or not fully trusted, use full. Avoid using the wrong SSL mode, because mismatched SSL settings can create connection errors. Next, check your server firewall. Make sure your server is not blocking Cloudflare IP addresses. Cloudflare sends traffic through its own network, so your firewall must allow Cloudflare connections to reach your server on port 80 for HTTP and port 443 for HTTPS. Also check your hosting provider's firewall or security settings, because some providers block unusual traffic automatically. If you recently changed DNS records, SSL settings, server software, or firewall rules, undo the latest change and test again. Finally, check your server logs. Look for errors in your web server logs or application logs around the time the 502 error appears. This can help you find whether the problem is caused by a crashed service, timeout, invalid response, or overloaded server. Once the server responds correctly again, Cloudflare should stop showing the 502 error, and that's it. You now know how to fix a bad gateway 502 error from Cloudflare. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.